Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk over the use of prepositions. Prepositions, very first let me clear you with the word. Prepositions are the linking words. Linking words means which help in linking noun to verb. For example, we can take he goes to school, correct? Goes is what? Goes, this is a verb. School, this is noun. Suppose if we write the sentence, he goes school. Is this sentence correct? No. So we need to, that is a preposition to complete the sentence. So prepositions are the linking words. Suppose we take one more example. I am helped by you. So by is what? By is a preposition. Preposition means which is added before or after the word to get it linked from one to other. As I took the example, verb is getting linked to noun. Here you can see helped is a verb and the verb is getting linked to the pronoun. And who is helping in doing so? By. So by is a preposition. So I think so now you understood what are prepositions. Prepositions are the linking words which are used to link noun to verb, verb to noun or verb to pronoun. So we are going to talk about some prepositions which are commonly used and you also get confused in that when you use them. Suppose very first we take the use of at. Suppose I reached at 4 o'clock. So here at is preposition and what it is showing, at is showing here time. It is used for time. Suppose I write he reached at bus stand. So here at it is representing or showing place. So you can see the preposition both are same. Here also at is coming and here also at is coming. But this at is representing time. It is showing time. And here at is showing place. So the use of prepositions depend on the meaning of sentence in which you are using them. As I shown you in the example, at can be used in two different sentences with different meanings. Here it is showing time and here it is showing place. Actually at is used to show small places too. Like I live at Kalpi or I live at Urai. These are all are small places. So you will use that. But in case of big places we use in. So this is the use of preposition. It is an example. One more example we take to make it more clear. This is the example of using at. The sentences are different, meanings are different, but the preposition is same here. Correct? Okay. Now we talk about by. There are many uses of by. And many different uses are there. Suppose we take example like I was helped by her. So here by is what? It is connecting verb, help is verb and her is pronoun. Correct? So by whom you are being helped, it is connected by. Means here I is subject. I was helped by her. By whom I was helped? I was helped by her. And this linking is done by the use of by. Now I write one more example. She sat by me. So what is the meaning of by here? The meaning of by here is beside. Means she sat beside me or near me. So you can see the by is being used in two different sentences and the meaning is different. So prepositions, you can say what are these? These are linking words and they link noun to verb, verb to pronoun, or other. In simple words, you can say that the prepositions are linking words.